Teachers and school staff, Happy New Year. For one lucky school, we are giving away our most popular cross-curricular orienteering package, plus an experience day. Now, the package includes bespoke school orienteering maps and installation of the cross-curricular orienteering control markers with a mix of permanent metal markers and portable markers to keep students challenged and engaged. Now, staff training will also be provided by our team of qualified teachers, and your school will also get 1 year's access to the world's most comprehensive cross-curricular orienteering lesson portal, which has been designed by qualified teachers and subject specialists. Now, for PE and outdoor adventurous activities, the lesson portal includes our orienteering in PE schemes, which are carefully sequenced to our progression of skills document. And for primary schools, the scheme runs from early years through to year 6. And we also have a secondary school scheme as well. Now, for outdoor active learning and increasing physical activity, you'll find a plethora of lessons across the curriculum. For example, the primary maths curriculum is fully covered. And for those using the awesome White Rose maths scheme, you'll find a section on our portal where the outdoor maths is sequenced and aligned with the White Rose progression. Now, we also offer a variety of experience days delivered by our team of teachers and licensed British orienteering coaches who will come to your school. And with this competition, we're giving away our exciting orienteering launch day. Now, to enter, you must be a member of staff at a school within the United Kingdom. Please fill out the form below, and entries must be submitted by the 2nd of February. And parents, if you're watching, please share with staff at your child's school. So why enter the competition? Well, this is your chance to get the infrastructure, resources and training to help make outdoor adventurous activities a real strength of PE, whilst also supercharging outdoor active learning across the curriculum, helping pupils be active for the recommended 60 minutes a day. So good luck, have a great 2024, and we hope to work with you soon.